I found it a little bit surprising that some kids did not know that carrots grew in the ground. My name's Hope Wilson. I'm a Family Consumer Health Sciences agent in Yavapai County. We do a lot of food classes and we take a seed to table approach, whether it be food safety, nutrition, or culinary classes. We really think it's important that people understand where it comes from and how much effort it takes to bring food to your table. I grew up in rural West Virginia and we grew most of our own food and we even preserved it so we had it in the winter. So I knew where a carrot came from. When I moved to Arizona when I was 13, I found it a little bit surprising that some kids did not know that carrots grew in the ground.
Howdy, this is Rebecca coming to y'all from beautiful Yavapai County, Arizona. I'm here today to talk about our Family Consumer Health Sciences Seed to Table programming. And where better to start than with seeds? A quick tip for new gardeners, especially gardeners who are gardening with kids, pick a variety that you can harvest early. Radishes is a really good place to start. Sprinkle a few seeds in the ground, keep them moist, and let them germinate. Once they're full grown, 21 to 28 days later, pick your harvest. Kiddos and adults alike will be amazed at how quickly radishes come to fruition. Happy gardening!
Thanks, Rebecca. Aimee Novak here, Food Safety Program Coordinator and Resident Chef at Yavapai County Cooperative Extension. We're going to create a very quick radish top pasta dish. Go ahead and separate your greens from your radishes. Slice your radishes, clean and prep your greens. We have some diced onion, garlic, and some Parmesan. We're going to saute this onion until it's soft. We'll add our greens, we'll add our radishes, and some garlic. Once it's wilted, 3 to 4 minutes, you've got a pasta on the stove. You take your pasta out, you save a little bit of your pasta water. You're going to mix that pasta water with this grated Parmesan, and you're creating a sauce for your dish. Put it all together, and here's dinner. Quick, easy, light pasta dish for summer. You can finish it with some chopped nuts, pine nuts, or walnuts, whatever you have, and dinner served.
So the next time you have radishes, don't throw away all those greens. You can make a pasta like this. Or if you don't want to have pasta, you can treat the tops of a lot of root vegetables a lot like you would any other greens. You can saute them with a little bit of salt, pepper, olive oil, and garlic. Beet greens, turnip greens, radishes, and they'll add a little more interesting flavor to your dish. If you think radishes are a little spicy, you could try peeling them. A lot of the spice is in the peel.